Like a party here.
Mess in here.
Yeah. The girls get to clean it when they come in. Alright guys, so we got the new equipment as well here, as you can see. I was down here last night with the guy that helped set it up. We got it all set up and going. You guys, instead of showing off the brand here, I'm gonna put our stuff on there, you know. So while Amy and I go to drop off the vehicles, Ashley and Emily, they're gonna have to clean this place up, arrange it. So, man, that's a nice machine. It's a nice machine. So we're gonna put our two head right here, guys. All that's coming off on the wall today. This is gonna end up being our hanger for our hoops. So we'll knock some of these out or take some of these out so it doesn't get in the way. But all of our threads are going back there on that wall. So all that's gonna be cleared out, guys. Yeah.
Did you guys go into Cato?
Yeah.
When are you going?
We're waiting for you.
Oh.
You're late, bro.
I'm not late, dude. Like this one?
Dude, here. Yeah, I gotta show you.
Is it just like it or no?
Yeah, I gotta show you how to turn it on. It's different. No, running it's the same.
Brr.
All right. So.
What were you guys stitching out?
Should we wait till Emily comes? Dude, and it's so easy to center it instead of with our paper.
Is this how you turn it on?
Yeah, hold on. Look at when you center. He didn't have that centered, but this number, always put it back to number 1. You know how we switch it to needle 1, and then this will line up always in the middle of this here.
It'll be right on it.
Yep, and then it should be right in the center.
Oh, okay.
Number 10 or what?
Number 11.
That's 10, isn't it?
Is it 12? Is that 11, dude? 11, bro. See that? 11. It's 11.
Let me get closer. Oh yeah, that's 11.
Morning.
Yeah, there's like more room almost.
No.
No.
No, there's not. Oh,
Not
I
yet.
got no over here.
There.
Here, I want to show you quick before we leave, Emily.
Okay, let me punch in real fast.
Yeah.
No, you can't do that.
Can't do that. You get to train for free. Come on.
Oh,
all right. So we are gonna turn here. I'll show you how to turn it on here. Everybody, right here, right on off. You just switch it.
Oh my gosh.
Up.
No way. That's how you turn it on.
Wait, so up is on? Just kidding. God.
Then hold this down until both lights turn on. If you just tap it, this one will turn on. Then that one won't. Just hold it.
Boom, baby.
Oh,
It's on.
it's on.
It runs the same as the other one.
Okay.
Just do not jam the needles, like, you know. Like,
How do you do that?
oh, you can jam it.
What do you mean jam it?
Like those other ones, you know. It just goes thump and it gets stuck.
Oh, like break the needle.
Break the needle, jam the needle.
Hey, that's not my doing though. I don't know how that
happens. You do on
happens.
purpose.
It's just the machine being pissed at me for some reason.
Okay, you're good to go. Same thing.
Yeah, except for
So
it's
this
freaking
is all
USB
full?
though.
Yeah.
Dude, USB. I'll get you some USB here.
Yeah, because I can't do any designs right now.
I'll get you some USB.
Oh, you have some here?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so the dude stayed here and finished setting it up last
Yeah.
night? Or, oh, okay. I didn't know or if Chant, like, did himself.
Because was he going to come back today and do it?
Well, yeah, that's what it sounded like when I was leaving, but then I guess they decided to just stay.
I mean, mine was 12.
And then he was driving to the cities or something.
Oh, really? That's where you take those other machines?
Yeah, so I called to get pizza for them, and once you know, comes knocking on my door.
They brought to your house?
like, they were supposed to have you deliver it to the Daily Hustle store. Like, that's all I said. I didn't give her my address. I said the Daily Hustle store when I called, and she was like, yeah, I'm like, where the old laundromat was. Nope, they bring it to my house. I'm like,
Oh, so did you bring it down here? Or they
no, I told them to bring it
Yeah,
down.
you're like, now. Yeah, just I gotta put this onto the floppy.
Yeah, do what?
Alright, I gotta put that
14.
onto here, yeah.
Do 14.
Yeah.
You guys arrange this first.
Okay.
Put these tables. Wait, you gotta move this first so you can get, put it up here.
Okay.
For now, move this back to where it is.
Okay. Yep.
And then put your desk up here for now, and then move that table. Put it over here. Right here.
You want it to go this way or this way?
Yeah, we want to go this way.
Okay.
Yeah, so then you can just turn around and just set it on here. So that one will be right here.
Okay.
And then this one.
So this one, can this table go this way and this table go this way? So then it's not like, right?
Yeah,
will it
you
work
got
like
three
that?
tables. You got that one, this one, and that one.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
It's a lot of tables. Okay.
So I don't know.
We'll figure it out.
Make it look so it looks nice.
We will.
So that can go back.
I recognize the name. Here's his
So, and those hoops, those pegs will come in today.
Okay.
We're gonna get all that moved.
Okay.
And so yeah, move stuff around, make it work. Yeah, I think your table will have your
Desk.
will be up here. Just depends.
Okay. That works.
Because I don't know if you want to put like when those, like this back here, eventually it's going to be cleared. This would be cleared. So maybe this is where Amy can put the work orders.
Okay.
I don't know, or the stuff that you get done. I don't know, whatever. Because we're going to have enough room back here too.
Right.
For whatever. Or if you want to put these back there. Is it going to be room? You know, right here, just put it against each other. I don't. But then
Yeah, but then when I go reach for a thread, I'd have to like, oh.
So,
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
okay, make it functional. So that thing's just like floppy.
Okay.
Stick it in and you're good. Hit OK. Return to power origin.
Yeah, just hit OK or exit out.
What the heck is that? Yeah, everything's all the same now. Should be good to go.
Yeah,
dude, that thing is quiet.
Is it?
Very quiet. You'll notice it when we run.
Like,
don't run.
I didn't even see
don't run the.
Is it running right now?
Yeah, I'm like,
Don't
oh,
run the
I wish I
beanies
would've
yet. I'm gonna when I come back. I want to get footage and stuff.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, just get everything all organized, whichever way it's gonna work.
Dude, didn't I just sweep in here yesterday?
Yeah, but we were working, bro. All right, let's go.
Jeez, all that work for nothing.
Finally run off for.
I'm supposed to, aren't I?
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta read through those ones.
Would have been nice if we had 4 more threads.
I know.
We could have ran them forward too. You just left it normal, right? You didn't do satin, did you? It just needs to be worn in, I think. He said.
Yeah.
Scoot out a little bit, maybe? Is it this thing? What the heck? Did you try out the hats? Yeah. Alright guys, we are gonna go pick up Amy's car. It just got done wrapping. So, can't wait to see what it looks like. And we're supposed to be getting snow in the forecast as well, you guys. So.
I already planned to drive.
Man, it is nice though. Snow coming, boys.
I'm so like trying to find the button to push.
No, this is not your Denali.
Trying to find a key is kind of annoying.
You excited?
I am.
See what it looks like?
Yeah,
it's gonna
I'm
look
kinda
totally
nervous.
different. Now everybody's
Excited
gonna know
to get my
where
car
go.
back.
Don't like mine?
No, it's a beast to drive.
Did you see I had to go pick up salts?
I wasn't sure where you went.
I went to get three pallets. Went to pick up the rest of the pallets people had, or they had. So after that 3 pallet, I don't know where we're gonna get it from. So might have to
Hopefully
get
it'll
a
be
new
spring
vendor.
by then.
I know. I hope so too. Supposed to get 3 to 5 inches this weekend.
It's still weird just to look at you.
What, my mustache?
Just look different.
Look like a baby?
Yeah.
Shaved, you guys. Kind of made me look like 10 years younger. Alright, let's go get it.
Do they have it parked outside?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it is. There's my car, Cole.
Looks like Dad's.
Looks like Dad's.
Sweet. Fridays at 4. That's what you see.
Oh, that's what I seen
Alright,
for
check it out. Alright, we picked up the little guy, yes, as well from school. Wow. See that? Oh yeah, that thing is clean. Oh my gosh, that is sweet. What? It is sweet.
Are the keys in it, or do we have to go in to get them? Hang on a second.
Powered by Jobber. Sweet, sweet. Woo!